Hello guys. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Microsoft Excel on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now Microsoft has made it possible that you can download and install Microsoft Excel straight on your Android smartphone through Google Play Store. So to get this, go ahead and tap on Play Store, and then using this search icon here, or if you can't see this search bar, go ahead and tap on search here. Then go ahead and just type in the name Microsoft Excel, or you can just type in Excel. And to search for it, go ahead and tap on this icon. And here you can see we have Microsoft Excel available. Now, if you tap on it, make sure it is from Microsoft Corporation. And this is the app, Microsoft Excel Spreadsheets. At the time of recording this app has over 7 million reviews with a star rating of 4.7. It also has over 1 billion downloads at the time of recording this. Now the file size is averagely 82 MBs. So this is the file size, and you can see this is the icon. Now to get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Microsoft Excel and then install it on your Android smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you'll have it ready here for open. Or if you go back to your apps, now you should be able to see Excel is available. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will go ahead and launch your app. You can now go ahead and sign in to start using it. So from here, you can proceed, enter your email, and the good thing is you can even use your Gmail account to log in. So that's how you can download and install Microsoft Excel on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.